Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to ICP video update today. And the new month has already started. And back a few days ago, right here, I actually stated that give me 10 hearts for the coin reveal. Now, this was 2 days ago, back at 30th of July. And I gave you one little bit of a pattern, and I showed you that this pattern is something that you can get. Now, this was for totally free for those traders who know how to trade, who know how to read charts, but they have difficulty finding a chart pattern to trade, and I make it easy for them by sharing a simple idea which they can further investigate their entries. Now, this doesn't stop, and I got 10 hearts very quickly. And I said this is ICP on the 4-hour time frame. It's a 12% setup profit, and the target is $7.88. Analyze wisely, needs a retest if that helps. Okay, now the rest is actually history, because in here, and by the way, if you want to join Discord, just comment Discord on the link of this video, and I'm going to share the Discord link with you. It's simple, just share. Just type Discord, okay? And the thing is that this one needed a retest, and here we go. You went to the downside, you went up for the retest, got rejected, and I also made an update following later that I said, this was today, I said in this post, retest was needed. Here is the current situation, and the wink was to tell people you know what to do, because the prices at this point was at 9.186, and then you can see that now the prices are 8.785. Now basically we are looking at ICP to drop at $7.88 at the moment. Now, even though these are looking bad, I think that Bitcoin is probably going to go down to maybe even $59,000. There is a CME gap as well on Bitcoin, 59K. But before you get really angry and mad about ICP, I want to tell you that this may just be the most temporary drop I've seen. I mean, like maybe 7.88 is a little bit of that drop, because on the monthly time frame, I'm pretty sure that ICP has a reversal candle and it actually wants to go back to the upside. I don't know if the EMAs are supporting right now. Of course, the EMAs are not supporting at the moment, but the thing is that these are lagging indicators. What I really am paying more attention to is that if ICP drops to 5.594, then this is going to be negative. So coming to 7.88 is still okay. I think it's just a temporary sideways drop to the downside on the smaller time frame. But keep in mind, August and September are going to come to an end at some point. And October is going to be the month that we see amazing move. And I keep saying this again and again, because once the time is over, I will not be able to say the same thing in the future. So while you have opportunities, get these opportunities. It's boring, it's really tough out there, but the thing is that hang in there. I think patience is really fruitful. And that's going to be the end. Just drop down to 7.88. Take you a little bit of a small term trade, and of course if you were on the Discord, you could have been taking a 12%, and I told you this one before time about the drop. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love, peace.